Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another organizational declutter video for you. Today we are going into my daughter's closet and we're going to organize it. We're going to organize it in a way that serves her purpose, and we are going to do this by the 4-bin method. We're going to decide what we're going to donate, sell, what we're going to throw out, and what we're going to keep. This closet is a small closet, and so there's a very small area to work with, but we're going to try our best to make this closet a little bit more functional for her. Okay, so like I said, this closet is a small closet, and right now we're basically using it for storage. It houses a lot of her old recital costumes, old toys that she doesn't play with, and things like that. And if you've been following me and you watch my son's declutter organization of his closet, you know that a lot of her clothes are being hung up in there because we don't have the room in this closet, and I'd like to have all those things moved in here. So we're gonna go ahead and pull everything out and organize it in those 4 bins, and then go ahead and put everything in to the closet. The organizational area that I organize, I always pull everything out of the space. This can be quite daunting and scary, but I love a clean slate, and that's usually what I do. Like I said, my daughter's closet is very small, so I wanted to organize in a way that it would be functional and serve her, so she's able to pull items out of her closet without it looking cluttered. So I figured less is more. There was a 3rd row in this closet, but unfortunately it must have broke with some of the storage that we stored in there. I didn't want to throw it away because I wasn't sure if we would be using it in the future. So I went ahead and put it off to the side of the closet, and maybe we'll use it in the future. If not, then we'll disregard it. When I placed things back into the closet, I made sure these were items that she could wear and she was still wearing. If she didn't love the item and it was still in great shape, it went in the donation pile. If it was an item that needed to be mended, I put that in the mending pile. If it was just trash and it was not salvageable, it went in the trash. And then of course, I also had a pile for keep. I did use a few of the fabric Dollar Tree bins to help organize things such as hats and small items like purses. I organized the closet, putting the things that she doesn't use often at the very top, and then worked my way down with things that she used often that were in eye level and she can reach easily. I gave everything a good wipe down with a multi-purpose spray, and of course vacuumed the bottom of the closet floor. So we are finished, and I think it's going to work for now. If not, then we might have to think of a different plan. Basically, on the very top shelf are for items that we don't need. I think like up there is like her kindergarten 1st grade little book. So I put that on the very top shelf. Then right here are just some articles of clothing that are seasonal that she'll wear in the fall and spring. This little Dollar Tree bin is going to house her hat. So she has like a ball cap and her mini ears. Here we decided to store all her uniforms, so we got them out of her brother's room. There's some sweatshirts she can wear in the winter, and I did have to store her long dresses here because they were getting bunched up on that top shelf. I put her cowgirl hat there. And then on the very bottom, she already had these little pink bins. So I'm storing her shoes there, and then her American Girl dolls there. Now, if you were watching the video, you noticed like this wire rack was a 3rd tier that probably sat right about here that we hung clothes on. But it fell apart, and I'm not sure. I kind of left these here. Whoops. I kind of left all the pieces there because I'm not sure if we're going to reuse it or not. But for now, it looks like we're not going to. And that's pretty much it. If for some reason this closet doesn't work out very well, we'll have to reorganize it so it's a little bit more functional. But I'm happy with it, and I think hopefully it'll stay this way. If you guys enjoy videos from me, organizational videos, give me a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me. And I'd love to have you join my channel and see our mini adventures of organizing. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll talk to you real soon.